All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Thursday adverbs. So also, in conjunction with, also, alongside, and with something else. So it also arrived early. We were also there. I also went to the shop. While I was there, I went to the shop. Things happening at the same time, in conjunction. Things happening at the same time. Yes. I also had that idea. Yes. You have the idea. I also had the idea. Yeah. How cool is that? We will also go to the shop afterwards. I too, alongside something else, will also go there afterwards. Yeah. How cool is that? So I've also been there. I have been to Spain and Mexico. I have been. You have. Have you also been to Mexico? Have you also been to Mexico? I've been to Mexico. Have you also been to Mexico? They should also know what to do. Yes. I also know what to do. Yeah, just in case. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I have also read the book. She has also written a novel. He also has been to Spain. They think I have also seen it. It also works at night. It might also work if we turned it on. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, also. How cool is that? So, he also went to Scotland. Nice. I was there in July. He was also there in July. Yeah. How cool is that? I'm learning Spanish, also Arabic too. Yeah. She is also learning Spanish. How cool is that? They will go to the gym also with you. Yeah. I also go to the gym every day. It just depends on my schedule and how busy I am. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, so how cool is that? Also. Now, can you use also in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.